Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming why you must change the reference number and gather your ID, registered mobile, and app PIN so nothing blocks the flow. Open the Mpokket app and log in. Once authenticated, navigate to Profile or Settings immediately. Make sure to check for any pending loans or submissions because the app may restrict changes while transactions are active. Once done, locate Contact Support or Edit Reference. This is where you'll submit the new reference number. You now choose Edit Reference or the support option labeled Change Reference, and you type the new reference number carefully. Mistakes here cause delays. Attach a clear photo of your ID and write a concise explanation of why the change is required. Next, request verification. Mpokket sends an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter the OTP promptly because it validates ownership. If you mistype, request a fresh OTP. Once validated, submit and note the reference change ticket number for tracking. You finish by tracking the support ticket under My Requests so you can watch progress. Once the team verifies documents, the app updates the reference number. Make sure to check Profile after 24 to 48 hours and confirm the new number displays correctly. If changes reflect, refresh cached data or re-log in to ensure consistency. If the request is denied, gather the rejection reason and resubmit with clearer documentation, and escalate by replying to the same ticket to keep a single audit trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.